The dramatic filter is part of the creative filter set. Now, this is a perfect filter to use when creating a gritty, cinematic look, often used to stylize fashion shoots or a grungy athletic portrait. Now, let's get creative with this athletic portrait. Now, adjusting the amount slider will control the total intensity of the effect. Now, this one adjustment instantly makes the image look great. Now, I'd like the default contrast value for this image, but if I needed to, I can increase or decrease the contrast or the difference between the highlights, midtones, and the shadows. Now, increasing local contrast will really make the uniform appear sharper and have more detail. Local contrast is going to target the finer details of the image. Now, use the brightness slider to darken or lighten details in the image and the saturation slider to make the image look a little more washed out, or you can make it look more saturated. Now, a slightly washed out look is a characteristic of the grungy style people love for sport portraits. If you'd like to learn more about this filter or other filters, check out the user guide, which you can find under the Help menu.